What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Pudding Work Burke. And today we're talking about how to invest in your favorite sports and make passive income. Let's go.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business news. So without further ado, let's get into the topic on hand, how to invest into your favorite sports and make passive income. Okay, so being a wealth builder or being a wealth builder means you should be looking for different ways to build your wealth and not always the regular, conventional, boring ways. Sometimes you want something exciting, something thrilling to invest in, something that will get your blood pressure to rise and your palms to sweat. I'm talking about investing in sports, okay? And not just any sports, but there are different ways you can invest in sports, from straight up buying stocks from one of the big sports stocks like MSG, DraftKings, the Braves, and more. But wouldn't it be better to invest in a direct athlete from the ground up? Like from the bottom. Know what I mean? Like we got it from the bottom now here style. Well, if you think like I think, then this is the right move for you. I'm talking about evoinvest.com. Evo was founded to solve a problem, giving individual sport athletes the funds they need to become champions through better training, coaching, health, and nutrition so they can concentrate on winning. They do this by allowing you to invest in all of their athletes in exchange for a percentage of the athlete's future earnings. They plan to use your investment not only to create Evo's infrastructure, but also to identify and sign athletes that the expert scouting team believes has the potential to become high earners in their sport. This is often a long-term project. Some athletes may not earn money quickly or some at all, but they will strive to sign only those athletes they believe give you, the investor, a solid chance of a good return on your investment, even if it takes several years before they reach that level. See, when you invest, you receive real stock in the company. One share of Class B non-voting common stock for every 75 cent you invest. But there's more. In addition to owning equity in Evo, they pay you a portion of revenues earned from each Evo athlete. Evo sets aside 5% of the earnings of each of their athletes and distributes the pool of money pro rata to all of the investors on an annual basis. The revenue share is in addition to any other dividends they may pay at some point in the future, in addition to the value of your stock if one day they go public or are acquired. This is definitely a long-term investment with a lot of upside, but the only issue I see is if they pick the wrong athletes and don't perform well. That's the only downside I see with the investment. If interested in this passive income stream, check out evoinvest.com. If you want my free guide to building passive income, click the link below and check out the Wealth Builder System. With that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for how to invest in sports and make passive income. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.